Hi guys, Derek and Gary here from the Rolling Paper Review, and as I'm sure you've noticed,
hasn't been much action.
Well, we just felt we owed you guys an explanation of what's going on.
And an apology.
And an apology.
So we're shooting this with my phone.
Yes. We had what we call in the industry a complete fucking meltdown of our computer.
Complete failure.
Yeah.
We lost all our videos. We lost...
Yeah, even the ones we had in the can, we got to reshoot them now.
Yeah, we've pretty much lost everything.
Yeah.
So we kind of scraped together a couple of parts that I had left, because I used to be a computer guy. Well, I'm still a computer guy, I guess, but I used to fix and repair and troubleshoot and blah, 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 and I'm an ex-programmer and blah, 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 blah. So I had some parts kicking around. This is what we've been using for the last year and change.
Yeah.
But it's come down to I have finally run out of parts. I no longer have any more parts.
Since we're doing one of these videos, you know, we may not be reviewing anything, but
yeah.
Gary, would you like a joint?
Sure. I'll just grab one, seeing as how they're all the same pretty
there
much.
We go.
Like different breeds, but
so so all you guys know, we understand that there hasn't been an upload of the Med Shop in quite some time. And luckily Gary had some of the videos that we shot for the Rolling Paper Review on his computer at home, so he was able to continue uploading those. But we lost...
We're out now.
Yeah,
we have nothing in the bag. We have no more episodes.
Right. We just repaired the computer.
As good as we could get it.
As good as we can get it. But here's the bottom line. We need to do some upgrades.
Big time.
We need some help.
We've asked before, but
right.
I guess we were a little maybe...
Well, I think maybe we were a little presumptuous just going ahead and setting up a GoFundMe page and all that stuff, and that didn't pan out or anything.
Especially since we did it when we only had like 15 subscribers or something.
Yeah, we were really, you know, we're still small time, and I get that, but we were really, really small time now.
Yeah, now we need some help.
Yeah, but before we go ahead and do anything, we want to hear from you, our viewers.
Yeah, like, is it worth us starting any kind of GoFundMe or anything? Or, like, are you guys in any way, shape, or form able to help us at all?
Or even maybe if you like email us and say, hey, I've got a video card you can have, or
I've got a 1080p webcam or camera or something.
Because like right now we're shooting from a cell phone because it's our best option right now.
Yeah.
So, you know, we're kind of in a little bit of a jam, and I will tell you this, even if we do have to film the rest of everything from the cell phone, then that's what we're going to do.
So be it.
Because we're not letting something this simple stop the channel from moving forward.
No.
But, you know, we're struggling a little bit to get something together that we can use. So give us a shout. Gary's going to edit in our email address for you so you can email us.
Yeah.
And you can also put some messages down below for this video. And, you know, if you guys have any, you know, say computer parts that we could use that are, within 3-4 years old?
Yeah, a little, like,
right
now we're running
let's say you just upgraded your system and you got some extra parts kicking around.
Yeah, you got an old 2 gig video card or something.
Right.
Right now we're running a 1 gig, which ain't bad, but it's a little slow. You know, 2 gig or plus. We could use definitely use another hard drive or two.
We don't need top of the line, brand new. This is what's out today.
No.
Last year before, that works fine for us.
Yeah.
You know, we're not doing anything with the computer other than the channel.
Yeah.
So
so there's no gaming, there's no nothing like that.
So we don't need to go all crazy or anything like that.
That's why I say 2 gig, half decent 2 gig video card. We could use a hard drive or two, you know, depending on the size.
Right, and a better camera.
Yeah, definitely. You guys have all complained kind of about our video quality, so.
Right, so even if we've got somebody that's got like an old webcam that's a bit
1080p.
Yeah, higher def.
Yeah. Because we've got a 720, obviously, which ain't cutting it, but it's a cheap 720, and I mean bottom of the barrel cheap 720, and that's why the quality isn't the greatest.
Right, and like basically, if we can get a community of people, such as all of us together, to just go through all their spare parts and we can all put this together without anybody having to spend any money.
And we'll pay the shipping.
Absolutely, you can send it to a COD. We'll pick it up and pay it, so you don't got to worry about that. Like I said, just you can email us for our address, mailing address. You can put a message in the message section down below.
And unfortunately, guys, I know some people are going to have some higher quality stuff and are going to want some money for it. We honestly can't afford. No, we can't afford anything. I'm working, but it's part-time basically. He's not working at all.
I'm on disability. Well, working on getting on disability.
We kind of really have no funds, and that's why we're kind of asking you guys if there's any help that anybody can give us. Man, we'd appreciate it, just so we can get the channel back rolling the way it's supposed to be.
Right, and you guys know that although we have a couple of sponsorships, it's a no cash money arrangement.
Yeah, we don't make anything.
There's no funding that gets transferred between us or them.
No.
Our sponsorships are more of we get deals.
And yeah, it's a we help them, they help us kind of deal.
Right, we get deals, we get discounts.
I mean, guys, we admit, we're small time. We're small time on YouTube. We're,
we weren't ever trying to be big time.
No. But now that we've gotten to the point where we are, we feel the need to continue it because we do have our fair share of followers and subscribers.
It's one of those things where when we first started this, it was all about an adventure in the education of rolling papers and blunt wraps and all that stuff. And
it was kind of for fun.
Over the course of time, so many of you have joined us on this journey that now we feel that we really have to see it through.
Yeah, we kind of owe it to everybody.
Right. Right, because y'all have been awesome to us, and we can't thank you all enough for that. So, like I said, we don't want nobody, to send money if we can avoid it.
Well,
we don't want nobody to have to put nothing out of pocket if we can avoid all that. If we got viewers that just got spare computer parts kicking around that were upgraded out a while ago, and they're a year or two old, and they're newer than what we're using now, then hey, please drop us a line.
We'll pay the shipping.
Yeah, you don't have to put nothing out of pocket. No. Shipping costs we can cover.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, we're poor, we're not dead broke. But we need to upgrade some equipment. And
well, as you can tell,
honestly, we need help.
Yeah, and not just the kind you get from doctors.
Even those doctors have their limitations there, Gary. That's all I'm going to say about that.
But guys, we just wanted to throw out a kind of an apology.
Yes, we are tremendously sorry about the lack of uploads, especially for the med shop.
I was going to say, to our sponsors, we want to apologize.
Absolutely, to AC Medical, and, Alan, I'm deeply sorry, and we're working on correcting it. I'll be emailing you soon. And to everybody at Tricks, we're sorry, it's going to be a little bit before we can get another video put up, but we will have one up soon.
Yeah, probably within a week or so.
Yeah, so
we're hoping.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just shoot up our next batch of episodes on a phone, and we're just gonna give that a shot.
Yeah, because I still got editing stuff and that obviously on my computer at home. So.
Right, so we're gonna throw it all on his home computer and do what we got to do from there. So that being said, to our viewers and our subscribers, we're sorry. We apologize.
Even our sponsors, if you guys could help in any way, shape, or form, if you got any old computer parts kicking around that you think, might be better than what we got.
Yeah. So, we've been working at this out of our own pocket from the beginning. Yeah. And not only that, but we've also got to continually add to the rolling paper and blunt wrap collections so that we can continue to bring content. And that's all been out of pocket too. For the most part, we do have a couple of people who help
some
out,
stuff, which we love and appreciate.
Oh, absolutely. Those people know how I feel, and I know how much I appreciate it. But yeah, so I haven't had a lot of money, and Gary hasn't had a lot of money that we were able to throw into production because we're already pretty heavy in out of pocket, surprisingly.
And not just that, I'm still paying off a student loan, so...
Yeah, So
I mean,
things are tight, but you know what? We understand that for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
You may be in the same situation as us. You
we
may
may
not.
be worse off than us. We don't know.
We don't know.
But we're just...
hey, if we can get just a bunch of our viewers and a bunch of our subscribers together to say, hey, I've got an old video card, I've got an old hard drive, I've got an old camera, I've got some RAM.
Yeah, I've got whatever.
Whatever the case is, hey, if it helps us out, and just so y'all know, we're on the IBM format, so Microsoft and not Apple.
Yeah.
Just felt I should put that out there.
Yeah, well, yeah, we're not Mac.
We couldn't afford to go there.
Too much money. Yeah, Intel based PC based is a lot cheaper, as everybody knows. Maybe not as reliable, but
clearly.
Yeah,
clearly.
Well, mind you, Apples have failures as well. So because I've had a couple of Apples in my time, and I've had some hard drive failures and some other failures. It happens, but it's rare. It's not as often. I don't know.
I feel like before you took Rolly home to fix Rolly, though, Rolly's
our computer.
Yeah, Rolly's our computer.
I designed a little setup so we can roll them around to where we need to be shooting at, rather than carry and lift, drag, kick.
So, but yeah, so you know what? I think we're going to do something a little bit special, though, just because we're in a position where we have to say we're sorry. We're going to show you guys the collection.
Ooh!
Okay, I know a lot of you have been dying to see this collection because you've heard so much about it, but nobody has ever seen it. Well, I'm finally going to show it. So,
wow, this is a surprise.
I'm going to pick up the phone here, and I'm going to flip the camera around, and I'm going to let you guys see what kind of a rolling paper and smoking collection we're dealing with. Okay, we're back. We had to stop the video, so now we're picking it back up.
Yeah, we can flip it around so you guys can see.
Okay, so we're going to start over here with this cabinet. Notice that sticker right there. Okay, so these are all drawers filled with rolling papers. Okay, and they're all full. Remember how I was mentioning that I purchased by the box? Well, here's a box. Okay, and then we've got some boxes up here. I got the Snoop Dogs. So there's all that. Then if you come over here, there
is a light on that
bunch over there.
See better?
See, I only needed the light back there, but it was good enough.
Yeah, up top center, I think it's the light.
Yeah, we're good. That's the wax. So here's some bongs and stuff. There's my dab rigs down there. And here's pipes. Got a couple roaches up there. And then let's see here. We got some rolling papers. Big surprise. Wonder what's in here. Oh, blunt wraps. Some dab containers. But they must be empty. What do we got in here? Oh, no, never mind. We don't need to know what's in there. Ha ha ha. Some more blunt wraps. More blunt wraps. Oh, some rolls of rolling papers and some pre-rolled cones. More blunt wraps. 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 And then, I got some more glassware over here. The molecule pipe. I got the bazooka. This was a cool handmade one from Vancouver. And then over here I got, what's that? More rolling papers. Lots more rolling papers. And then you come over here and what's that? Oh, more blunt wraps. Don't mind my pest dispensers. I'm a Star Wars geek. More blunt wraps. Then you come down here, and what's this? More blunt wraps. So yeah, that's how we do. You see. So, as you can see, we have plenty of content yet to deliver to you guys. All right, and every one of these pieces of this rolling paper collection isn't stuff that I buy and tuck away. No. We use this. This is my passion. When I was prescribed this as a medication, it saved me. So,
and me too.
And Gary too. So
even though I used it well before,
and not just saved me in a way that you can think of because of the pain and all that stuff, but it saved me from opiate addiction. I've had addiction problems in my past, and when my doctor started saying, opiates is the option we have to go with, I was terrified because I know with my history that was not a good option. And I was getting to a point where I was getting ready to cave because the pain was so bad. And that would have affected me and my family in ways that I don't even want to think about. So marijuana really did save me. So I'm very passionate about it. So is Gary. That's why we do this, because we love it. So, because we don't have our channel monetized, I'm sure you all know. We're not really as interested in money as we are in just education and sharing all of this with all of you. So, thanks. Please be patient with us. And for all of you that have extra parts kicking around and all that stuff that can help us, please. Gary's going to fire off our email address when he edits this video. So that's going to be in here right there.
Or you could put a comment below.
You could put a comment down below in the comments section.
And we'll get back to you.
We will get back to you with contact details and all that stuff. Mailing addresses. And guys, you don't have to pay shipping. If you can't afford it, go drop it COD. We'll pay it. I got no problem with that.
Yeah.
Okay, guys? So, on behalf of myself and Gary, thank you all very much for your patience, and we're going to get this up and back going ASAP, even from our phones, just to get it up and going for now. Okay, guys? Thanks for putting up with this little glitch. And we're going to reshoot the episodes we need to reshoot, and we're going to get those to you hopefully within a week. Okay, guys? Thank you very much, and peace out.
We're out.